Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn our follow-up lesson, The Olympic Champion and the Ducks, from the book A New Approach to English. Follow-up lesson, The Olympic Champion and the Ducks, page number 62. Bobby Pierce was born in Sydney, in Australia. His father was a great sculling champion. Sculling means single man boat racing. See in the picture Sydney Harbour, which is in Australia. Where was Bobby Pierce born? Bobby Pierce was born in Sydney, in Australia. What was his father? His father was a great sculling champion. When Bobby was 5, he was rowing around the Sydney Harbour in a small boat. A little later, he won his first race competing against 14 years old. One of the judges asked him, "How old are you, Bobby?" And he replied proudly, "6, sir." 6, sir means he was only 6 years old when he competed against 14 years old boys. Here the word later, latter, opposite is former. See page number 63, SGP 2. By the time he was 20, Bobby was sculling champion of Australia. The following year, 1928, he went to Amsterdam to compete in the Olympic Games. In the finals, he competed against Ken Mayers of America. From the start of the race, Bobby was in the lead. At the halfway stage, he was still leading and very much ahead of Mayers. It seemed that Bobby would easily win. Here question arises, at what age did Bobby become sculling champion of Australia? Bobby became the sculling champion of Australia at the age of 20. When did he start to compete in the Olympics? In the year 1928, he started to compete in the Olympics. Who did he compete against in the finals? In the finals, he competed against Ken Mayers of America. See paragraph number 3. Then suddenly something happened. Bobby heard a shout from the bank and looked over his shoulder. He saw a duck and her ducklings swimming across the canal. Baby ducks are called ducklings. What did Bobby Pierce see? Bobby Pierce saw a duck and her ducklings. The duck and her ducklings were swimming into the course of the boat, and the boat was going to run into them. The poor birds had no idea that they were in the middle of the Olympic race. Here, course highlighted word. Course means the path. Run into is a phrasal verb. Run into means hit. The boat is going to hit them. See paragraph number 4. Immediately Bobby slowed his boat down. Mayers was catching him very fast. The people on the shore were shouting as if they were mad, but Bobby picked up his speed again and went to win the race easily. Paragraph number 5. Of all the Olympic heroes, it was he who won every word is heard. a Dutch newspaper, wrote, "He owned the goodwill of the children of Amsterdam." The people of France is called French. The people of Holland, Netherlands, is called Dutch. Here you see in the picture, where is Amsterdam? Amsterdam is in Netherlands. The capital of Netherlands is Amsterdam. Question number 8. Did Bobby wait for some time to let the ducks pass? Yes, he waited for some time to let the ducks pass. Why did Bobby win everybody's heart? Bobby won everybody's heart for waiting to let the ducks pass. See paragraph number 5. Of all the Olympic heroes, it was he who won everybody's heart. A Dutch newspaper wrote, "He won the goodwill of the children of Amsterdam." His friends in the Australian Olympic team were not surprised by the incident of the ducks. Bobby is the kind of bloke, B-L-O-C-K. Bloke means fellow. They said, from the age of 6, Bobby Pierce competed in the races for 33 years and retired from the sports in 1945. How many of these races do you think he lost? Not a single. Why were his Australian friends did not surprise? His Australian friends were not surprised because they knew Bobby Pierce's nature well. Where was Bobby Pierce born? Bobby Pierce was born in Sydney in Australia. I hope you understand the lesson well. Write down all the question answers in your fair copy and try to remember.